Okay, you need anything packed up?
What? Here, where are you? Come here for a second.
What?
Take us on a tour for what we just got finished doing.
Okay, let's start from the outside.
Okay.
Sure, this is the steps up to the outside.
Oh, okay. I'm very hungry.
Okay.
Gotta eat too.
That's our friend Robin.
I don't care, Robin.
Okay.
I care. I'm not just being mean.
So here's the satellite dish. It's been drilled in with concrete through the concrete with special screws and a hammer drill. A hammer drill, the proper piece of equipment. Thank you. Here's the DESKey switch.
What are you implying? Almost like someone didn't use proper equipment one time.
Yeah, it's possible. Okay, so the cable is going down here, going down into the basement.
There's someone watching you over there.
Okay. There's a random.
Where's it going? Where's it going?
It's going right down there into.
And you think that's a good place for the dish, or should we move it somewhere else?
If we wanted Bell, we could probably move it up to the roof.
Okay, so the cable's going where? Down into your basement window?
Down into the basement. So let's head down to the basement. Okay, there's the cable coming in through the basement. We route it through the heating pipe. This is our cable, and it's going to lead us to the living room where we'll find look at this swank home theater set up on a budget.
Alright, turn on the TV. Let's see what you can watch.
Okay, there's our 42-inch Vizio LCD TV. It's 5.1 surround sound system, VHS DVD recorder, and booting up is our satellite receiver. Okay. And look at that.
Try channel 497.
Oops.
Oh my God!
Yeah, okay.
That's not your style? You like the gay porn?
Shut up. Let's find the, wait, where's the guide?
Where to go?
Hold on a sec. I gotta do guide, EPG. And we have to find the game show network.
Runway, so you might actually see us walk down the catwalk. It'll be an